I did saw this in Target. It was something new for me. Color, it's so natural. They are not matte. I really do like this one. Welcome back to my channel, guys. We're doing a new lipstick review. Haven't even used this one before, so I'm really curious. I did saw this in Target. I was looking for new lipsticks, new affordable lipstick in the market. I did see this in the corner. It was something new for me. There's only 4 colors. What I really like about this one is the color. It's so natural that you can use it every day. I wanted to see how great is this one because the description shows moisture for whole day and it has vitamin C. It is a vegan. Let's clean up this. Let's start it in darker color and go to the light. This is the color. It is really nice color actually. It has that pink, very fruity. Smell like berries. Let's try this. It's actually really nice on your lips. It feels really good. Just to let you guys know that they are not matte. But the good thing about this one, it does smell really, really good. They are very creamy feeling, not very heavy. I like that. So let's try for the next color. Next one is this color. It's a little bit lighter than the first one. It's more like a matte color because the first one is actually shiny. So let's try this one on my lips. I actually really like this one because the feelings of this one, it's totally different than the first one I tried. And this one, it's more like a matte, creamy looking, and it's not too dry, and also it doesn't have a lot of strong scent. The color, it's beautiful, not too dark and not too light. Let's try the third one. So the third one, guys, is this one. It's much lighter than the first two. As you guys can see there, it's so much lighter. This one looks like it's another matte looking again. Let's try this. This one, guys, it's another great one. It's actually the same feelings on this lipstick, same everything, creamy and matte looking. It's really settled in there. Everything's are the same. I really do like this one. It's something that I would wear every day and something that I would actually keep it on my purse, is because it's so beautiful color, very natural. So let's try the very light color on this set. This one outside is very light pink, but inside it is actually kind of like a dark pink. That's the color on this one. It is actually kind of shiny, light pink color. So let's try that. This one, it's this much lighter pink on my lips. This and the first one that I tried is absolutely the same feelings, texture, shiny, and almost the same scent. I think we do have this 2 matte, and then we have this 2 more looking like lip gloss. So if you are looking for something like more shiny, more lip gloss on your lips, these 2 lipsticks, you're gonna be your best friend. And if you are looking for like more matte lipstick, but it has that creamy feelings, light, this is gonna be your best friend. So 4 of these lipsticks are really great. I think my favorite on this one is gonna be on the last color and also third colors. But anyway, guys, this is all the color that we tested. That is my review for this amazing lipsticks from Precision Formula. This is my first time trying their lipsticks. Actually, I haven't tried any of their makeup, but I heard that their foundation are actually really great, so I wanted to try that the next time. But their lipsticks, I really like it, and I hope that you guys like this review, and leave me a comment what you guys think if you are already tried this one, and tell me how you guys think about this Precision Formula. So I'll see you guys again for my next video. Bye.